Hey, what's going on? Got yet another epic review for you guys. Today we'll be reviewing a 2010 Acura TL. So if you're looking for Acura reliability with the capabilities of a full four-door sedan, we got one for you. Over here at ALH Automotive LLC in the Lake Jackson area of Tallahassee, Florida. I'll have all their information down in the description and we'll go from there. Stay with us for a little while longer. We'll take it for a test drive. But before that, I will go over the interior, of course, go over the exterior, and then go from there. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. All right, crew, so we're going to take a look at this exterior. Typical Acura of this time features here. You got the chrome grille, HID headlights, these nice wheels from the factory. You have your turn signals in the mirror. Just wanted to go over the exterior real briefly with you guys. Gonna come back around here to the driver's side, and like I said, this is a full four-door sedan for you guys. Plenty of room, plenty of accommodations, big trunk, as you will see in another part of the video. Check out our photos too. You can look at ALH Automotive LLC's Facebook page, join us there, and I'll have all these photos for this particular unit on there, and you can check out the website as well. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. First things first, you have this nice gray perforated leather seats, power adjustments here as you can see. You got a manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You do have navigation there in the center and a reverse camera. Just have to hit the power button right there in the middle to activate it. Push button start as well, as y'all can see the red button right there, as long as the key is in the ignition. It also has another slot that I'll show you guys when I take it out for a spin. You do have the sunroof up top. Very nice touches. These are heated seats. Very nice touches. I know we don't need them anytime soon, but winter will come. Check it out. So we are checking out the back seat here. Same perforated leather seats, plenty of room, nice floor mats. You got a center console there. These are a 60-40 split bench back here if you need a pass-through for the trunk. Air conditioning controls for the rear. Good visibility all the way around, as y'all can see. And once again, you can't beat Acura and Honda reliability. Very nice touches. Hang tight. We're gonna look at the trunk, and then we're gonna take it for a spin. Yes, sir. Here's the trunk. Very big trunk at that. Nice touches. There's that pass-through right there. And underneath here, we have your jack and all that good stuff. And then if you lift this up a little bit further, there is the spare tire. Nice accommodations for a family. And there you go. Check it out. All right, crew, the moment we've all been waiting for. So we're about to take this 2010 Acura TL out for a test drive. First things first, as long as you have the key in your possession, I have it in my pocket. Go ahead and hit the push button start right here. And like I was saying, there's a little key slot right here that you could actually stick the fob in as well if you would like to, and press the push button start to start it up. Go ahead and turn the lights on. Go through the different menu options here. Like I said, this is a manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so you can do your adjustments if need be. I already adjusted the mirrors, all that good stuff. You do have paddle shifters behind the steering column right here, so you can use those if you would like. Put it down in sport. It does have heated seats. You do have your typical Acura infotainment system, CD player as well, navigation and reverse camera, as you guys can see. Nice size screen. And when you put it in reverse, the mirrors do go down on the sides, whatever side you have the adjustment lever to, memory seats, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take it for a spin here and see what we are working with. V6 power plant is very, very quiet. There we go. Turn circle is really good as well. And typical Acura appointments, the perforated leather seats, nice touches here, heavily bolstered, feels good. Do have a sunroof up top, bring in some natural light, vitamin D, which is good for you, good for your mind, your body, and your soul. So once again, this unit is available at ALH Automotive LLC, Tallahassee, Florida. I'll have their information down in the description. And here we go. Does come with HID headlights and fog lights as well. So here we are. Very smooth power plant. Nice firm feel to the steering wheel. We'll go up here and do a brake test, a turn circle test again, and kind of go from there. This is a regular car review from a regular car guy. Like I said, I love Acuras. Very reliable. The VTEC is fun, and just a solid chassis. So we're gonna get ready to do the brake test. I'm doing about 60-ish. Oh, FedEx truck on the back of a trailer. And here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and break it down, see how these brakes do. And here we go. No fuss. Nice firm brake pedal. No nosedive. Go ahead and do the turn circle test here. Oh yeah, turns really good. And we're gonna give it an acceleration test. Here we go. Good sound from the V6 power plant. Good power. Feels good. And it's quiet in here unless you dig into the gas pedal. It's really quiet when you get down on it. Good sound, good power. Front end lifts up a little bit for you. Just good touches here. So it's what you would expect from a mid-sized luxury vehicle. Doesn't disappoint. Once again, the quietness, from the tires, with low wind noise. It's just pretty much everything you guys would need, and gals. So we're gonna take it up here in a little bit, spin it back around again, head on back in. Just wanted to give you a perspective. TL. You can come by and check it out at your earliest convenience. The information will be down in the description. Another brake test. Really good firm pedal. And here we go. There we go. Yes, sir. This is down in, this is regular drive. I didn't even put it in sport. So there you go. My perspective on a 2010 Acura TL. Good touches all the way around. Visibility is great. I love these day-night side view mirrors with the blue tint to them. Nice touches at night. You do have a day-night mirror here as well, and just good touches all the way around. Once again, a luxury mid-size sedan, plenty of room, plenty of power, plenty of amenities for you guys and gals. And go ahead and back this bad boy in with this big reverse camera. I really like the size of the screen on this thing. And there you have it. The review of a 2010 Acura TL. Very nice sedan. Check it out today. Thank y'all for watching. Salute.